Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we talk all things finance and money. On this channel, I'll be making videos on how to make money online, how to invest your money, business ideas you can implement, ways in which you can make your money go a long way all in all. So if this sounds like something that you are interested in, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Then click on the bell icon, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you get something informative, and this also helps with the algorithm. Just a moment of silence for everyone that has been returning to my channel and not subscribing. What do you mean? Why? Why? Why do you do it? Let's wait for you. You are gonna subscribe. Thank you. So in my last video, I showed you a way of selling your pictures online. If you haven't watched that video, I'll have it linked in the description box below. So in this video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step how you can make money online copying and pasting pictures creatively and getting paid every time people simply click on your link. People don't need to purchase, people don't need to share it, people don't need to like it. Just by somebody clicking on that picture and opening the picture, you get paid. Let's get right straight into it. Okay guys, so the first thing I want you guys to do is follow this video step by step. So the first thing that you will do also is to download a picture of a famous person. Maybe it can be somebody that's very well known around the world. It should be around the world so that you get more clicks nationwide. It can be somebody like Mark Zuckerberg, as you guys can see here on my screen. You can download a very sort of like controversial picture of him, something that's very unusual. Things like, you guys can see this picture as something that you've seen online, something like this. That's something you're used to seeing of Mark Zuckerberg. But another side of Mark Zuckerberg that you're not seeing every day on the internet is him with his family and wife and kids. So maybe if you can download a picture like that, cover his face a little bit, people might get a little bit suspicious that I might know this person. So before I get ahead of myself, let me get you to the second step. The second step is to just download this picture, keep it on your laptop, your phone, whatever device that you're using. Then the second step is to open an picture editing app. You can use a browser one that's called Online Paint. You can just go onto Google. As you guys can see here, I already opened that. You go to paint.com or Online Paint. You will find that website there. Let me just go back here. This website here says Untitled Paint. That's what you open. You can use it to edit the picture. You just make sure that you cover a little bit of his face. Or you can use any other app that you're comfortable with. You can use WhatsApp. You can use Canva. You can use, any other app that you guys know. You download the picture and then put it here. And after putting it here, you cover his face just a little bit. You know the things that we do with putting an icon on a picture or something like that. You cover his face just a little bit, maybe just cover half of his face. Then take that picture and save it onto your phone, your laptop, anything. The next thing I want you guys to do is to open a website called Imgur. Imgur is a website that allows you to post viral pictures. People are uploading viral pictures on Imgur and they are getting traffic from this website. This website has amazing traffic. And this is where you will post your viral picture, where people will probably click on your picture. But this is not the last step. The next step, let me just show you how you upload the picture. So you just simply click on new post. You can say choose photo, or you can drop images here, one of the two. And after doing that, you can write your caption. Let it just load a little bit. And for example, we can choose a picture here. You choose your picture, whichever picture you want to use. There we go. And you put a title in there to say, maybe this is like a title that you can use. Famous billionaire with a new baby. Or maybe you can type, who is this famous billionaire, or can you guess who this is? And what I want you to do next is just keep on holding that browser and go onto another browser and open a website called xc.io. So this is the website that will be paying you. The Imgur website here will not be paying you, but it will be you'll be getting traction through this website by people clicking on your pictures from here. So this is where you go onto the website. This is where you will put in a link to your original picture, wherever you got the picture. For example, this is it. Once that picture opens, you click on that picture, click on the link, and copy the link, and you shorten the link here. So for example, this is what we're going to do. We're going to paste that link and shorten the link. And you guys will see a shorter link will appear here. Yes, there. You can copy this. So the reason why we use this website is literally because they have a lot of clicks and their payment rate is really, really good. As you guys can see here, there is proof of payment. People have been getting paid through this website, and it also pays on PayPal, which is very, very good. So as you guys can see here, people have been getting a lot of money, 25,000, 5,000 rands, 8,000 rands. So if you want to get paid like these people, then this is what you should do. So you can see here it pays by PayPal, Bitcoin, Payeer, ATM. And your payout rates are going to be different depending on the country that you are in. But essentially, payout rate, let me show you guys. They have really good payout rates. Even if you're not in one of those countries like Iceland, United States, Ireland, Emirates, Finland, you guys can see the pay rates here. They are so good. So they are also good because the pay rates are the same whether you use a mobile or a desktop. So this is another great thing, as you guys can see here. So if you're in Africa, I guess you fall under the or other countries. So this is how much you get per 1,000 views. So yeah, guys, then you take that shortened link that you got from XC and you go back to the picture that you were trying to upload, that you kept on a pause. You put the description, then now you will put the link next to the description. The link that you copied that side, you paste it right here, right? But this is the longer link. I didn't copy the shorter link, remember. So this is how you're going to do it. Then you post to community and you wait for people to click on your picture. Once people click on your picture, this website right here will pay you. And it is that simple. All you need to do is just at least maybe keep on uploading different pictures. Try different styles. Maybe you can upload, like, even if it's not a famous person, just keep on trying different things. You never know which one is going to work for which one for you, you know. And yeah, just keep on doing that. I would advise somebody to maybe do this every 2 days. Maybe just upload a picture and see which one is going to work for you. Different things are going to work for different people. So yeah, this is just another avenue that I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate it so much. Please give this video a thumbs up to show that you appreciate this knowledge. And if you have any other questions, comments, suggestions, and anything, just leave it in the comment box below. I will surely respond to your comments. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. See you on the next video.